Hello and welcome to My Digital Quill. When you're working with Excel, there are no questions that aesthetics count. A datasheet full of numbers with a dull display will not get the attention you expect, even if your numbers are great and your results outstanding. On this worksheet, we are going to work in putting life in your datasheet by picture styling and formatting so as to help you get that attention for your sheet it deserves. Now please grab that exercise file from the description link below and let us get started. So we're seeing three different kind of images on this worksheet. There's a logo to the left hand side, there's a photo to its right, and a chart just next to it. If I pick up the logo, watch the ribbon menu adjust. There's a phrase added, it's called picture format, and it opens the door to a lot of choices for us. Now if I pick up the photo, the option remains the same, but if I pick up the chart, the option changes to chart design and format in the ribbon menu. Now the chart is linked with the data on the left in the table. If the numbers are static and there aren't any changes expected to occur in the table, we might want to convert this chart into a picture. Now this can be done by right-clicking on the chart. You go to Copy, pick up a random cell in the worksheet, and go to Home tab, Paste option. We pick up the third option and paste this as picture. Now you may consider this as a snapshot of the chart here. If the data were to change now in the table, the actual chart will react, but not our chart image here, as this is frozen in time. Now, since we don't have to worry about any changes in the table, we can get rid of the chart, which is why we took the image in the first place. And now if you select this chart image or the photo image or the logo image, you will get monotonic option in the ribbon menu, picture format. So by clicking on the photo and going in picture format, we have quite a few options to consider on how we might want this to look. If you're preparing this for a printed output, then you might find one better than the other. But if you're considering on displaying this in a presentation, then you have a lot of options to consider. Moreover, we might see this in upcoming videos. We have additional feature to add special effects with picture border, picture effect, and picture layout to our photos. And since we have converted this chart into a picture now, we can use the same for this chart as well. And as you might be wondering, we have done the same for our company logo here. Although some companies have regulations on what you can and cannot do with company logos, so please consider that before going in that avenue. But nonetheless, you can quickly get to these features by picture format, very similar to working with picture or charts that have been converted into a picture. So a viable tool for enlivening the display of your data.